Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to add sound effects in iMovie. It's pretty much the same thing on an iPhone and on an iPad. So make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you obviously want to do is open up iMovie, create a project, and let's do that together. So movie, click on a clip. For example, I have a clip of my microphone, create a movie. So how do you add sound effects? Well, we want to click on the plus button right here. You want to click on audio here, and click on sound effects. And you have a lot of effects. One of it is applause, bark. Let's use bark, for example. So I'll just add bark right here, and I can adjust where I actually want to use it. And I can also slow it down, make it louder, or what I prefer to do is make it less loud, and you can make it faster or slower so the dog can bark a lot more slowly, just like this. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.